Hi guys, approximating or rounding. We will say some rules and solve some exercises on how to approximate the numbers to the nearest unit, tens and hundred. Let's see. Rounding to tens. When we approximate to the nearest tens, look to the next door. What is the next door beside tens? The unit digit. If the unit digit is 5 or more, the rounding goes up. And if the unit digit is a 4 or less, rounding goes down. I always say that 5 or more is one of the strong numbers and 4 or less is one of the weak numbers. Let's see the example. 37.24. First, I want to know what is the tens place. The tens place here is 3. I will underline the digit 3. Look to the next door. What is beside 3? Besides 3 is a 7, so I circle it. When I circle it, I put 0 above 8, and any number from the right side will be 0. Ask myself, 7 is one of the strong numbers or weak? Of course, 7 is one of the strong numbers. Strong numbers give the digit 1 more. So it will be 3 plus 1 equal 4. Then I will put 0.00 or 40. The second example, 172. The tens place here is 7. What is the next door? The next door here is 2. I will circle it, and when I circle it, I put above it 0. Ask myself, 2 is one of the strong numbers or weak? Yes, 2 is one of the weak numbers that doesn't affect on the tens. So it will not give the 7 anything. So it will be 170. Approximating to the nearest unit or a whole number. Unit or a whole number, the same meaning. Let's see the first example, 37.925. The first step is I will underline the unit digit. The unit digit here is 7. So what is the next number or a next door beside 7? The next number is the tenths. So 9 is the next door. When I circle the next door, I will put 0 and any number beside the 9 will be also 0. Then I will ask myself, is 9 one of the strong numbers or weak numbers? Yes, of course, 9 will be one of the strong numbers. Strong numbers give the digit 1 more. So 1 plus 7 would be 8. So the answer will be 38.000 or 38. The second example, 631.458. The first thing is underline the unit digit. The unit digit here is 1. I will look to the next door from the right side. The next door beside the 1 is the tenths. The tenths here is 4. When I circle the 4, I will put 0 above it and any number from the right side. Starting from 4 will be 0. So I will ask myself, is 4 one of the strong numbers or weak numbers? Yes, 4 is one of the weak numbers that doesn't affect on the digit and just ignore. So the answer would be 631.000 or 631. Approximating to the nearest hundred. First thing, I will underline the 100 digit. The 100 digit here is 1. What is the digit which is beside the 100? Tens. So I will circle the 3. Then when I circle the 3, I will put 0 above it and any number beside it from the right side will be 0 also. Then I will ask myself, is 3 one of the strong numbers or weak numbers? Remember, 5 or more, get one more. 4 or less, just ignore. So 3 is one of the weak numbers that will not give the 100 anything. So it will be 100.000 or 100. Example 2. 589.472. I want to approximate to the nearest hundred. The 100 digit here is 5. What is the next door from the right side that is beside 5? Of course, the tens. The tens here is 8. So I will circle the next door, which is 8, and put above 8 0 and any number from 8 till the right side will be 0 also. Then I will ask myself, is 8 one of the strong numbers or a weak numbers? Yes, 8 is one of the strong numbers. So 8 will give 5 one more. So it will be 600.000 or 600. Now you try to round these numbers to the nearest hundred. Approximating to the nearest thousand. When we estimate to the nearest thousand, I will look to the 100 digit. If the 100 digit is one of the strong numbers, 5 or more, the rounding will goes up. And if the 100 digit is 4 or less, the rounding will goes down. Like this example.